So Kajabi just updated their email templates, and they didn't really tell you that you have to go in and hit a special update button. I'm going to show you exactly where that is and how to update, as well as a couple of expert tips to make sure that you do it properly. Check it out. Now, to update your email templates, you're going to want to head over to the email campaigns area under marketing. Over on the top right, you'll see a button here that says manage templates. We're going to open that up. If you have multiple templates in here, this might be a good time for you to clean out the old ones that you don't use. If you don't have that many, then this will be a fairly quick process. So you will need to update every single template. It's not one click and they're all done. So yeah, clean out the ones you don't want anymore, get rid of them. Now, before you actually go to update, you do want to make sure that you duplicate the templates. So sometimes when we do updates, things go crazy and they don't work. So it's always important to keep an original of your template before you go and do the update. And then once the update's successful, then go ahead and delete that duplicate so that you don't have extras. All right, so I've already done that. I've got my template right here, testing 1. I've went and made a copy of it, called it testing 2, just for simplicity. So to do the update, you're going to head over to the little menu here where the 3 dots are. You're going to go and hit update template. You will get a message here that says a new release is there, and you can go ahead and hit preview update. Take a look at it. If you want to open it up, you can see it full screen, and then you go ahead and hit update now. And then it's going to do its little thing in the background, and it's going to update it, and then you can check to make sure that everything is all good with it. So here it says that it's all good. Got it. Okay, and we have an updated version here. Now I know that this is updated because if I go back and hit update template, it says here that it is using the newest version. So then that one is good to go. Now I still have my old one here. If I take a look here, you'll see it needs an update. So now I have my previous version that I can go ahead and delete because I've checked to make sure that this one is all good, right? You can go ahead and open it up big if you wanted to and go edit the template and go and check to make sure it all looks good. Nothing changed in the update, so that's good news. So if you want to learn how to update your product themes, check out the next video on your screen here.